Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. If you want to advance your career as a software engineer, then learn JavaScript. Learn ES6, ES7, ES8 and advanced latest techniques in JavaScript. There are many ways you can explore latest JavaScript features. Practice those features right in your Chrome browser or practice JavaScript online by using online JavaScript tools. There is this ECMAScript versions compatibility table. Here you can explore latest JavaScript features and web browser support. You can select 6, 2016 and next to sort features by version. You can also expand any feature further by clicking at arrow in front of specific topic. Then there are compilers. JavaScript compilers that you can use. Babel and Traceur are good and most used transpilers or compilers for JavaScript. This is Traceur compiler. Google Traceur compiler is JavaScript compiler that allows you to use latest JavaScript features from the future today. If you are working with the latest JavaScript frameworks like ReactJS to ensure new features work for all viewers and all web browsers, you should use Transpiler. A transpiler allows you to use the newest ECMAScript features today by transforming your code into code that is compatible across all browsers. Babel is another JavaScript compiler to use next generation JavaScripts today. This is Babel, babel.js.io. You can try Babel ES6 to ES5 online by using this tool. Right from web browser, choose settings, presets and use latest JavaScript features online. Then there are downloads to use latest JavaScript. You can download Mozilla Firefox nightly build to try latest JavaScript features that it supports. This is Mozilla Firefox beta, this is developer edition, this is nightly build. You can download this to try latest JavaScript with Mozilla Firefox. For Google Chrome, you can use Chrome Canary to use latest JavaScript features. Also, you can use Chrome Harmony flag. Enable experimental ECMAScript features in your Chrome web browser by going to Chrome //flags/ search Harmony here, HARMONY. From here you can enable latest stable JavaScript features and experimental JavaScript features. And then you can also use strict mode. Use strict mode into a closure and Chrome will be able to execute latest JavaScript features. So I have got this index.html page and custom.js. Our JavaScript file is linked with it. This is our custom.js file, and here is iffy, or a closure function. And let's initialize this function immediately after declaring it. Use strict console.log hi. Save. This is the page. Refresh, inspect element, go to console, and here is this hi. Let function x and y, arrow function, fat arrow function, x multiplied by y, and then console log this function 2 and 8. Save, refresh, and here is 16. Const function parameter 1, parameter 2, arrow function parameter 1 plus parameter 2. Save, refresh, and here is 10. So this is a closure. Use closure, use strict in it, and then type your code inside it. This is pretty much standard code. Almost any browser will support it out of the box, but you can use experimental and new JavaScript features by using this closure and use strict statement at the top. Alright, give this video a like, subscribe to channel, and press bell icon. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.